Alright, so first test run, everything's running good. I'm using the beer keg as a surge tank to help alleviate the fluctuations from the air compressor. You can see the seed tanks pressuring up and relieving. And the desiccant and filters running at, I don't know, what's that, about 14 liters per minute. But I've got to work on the timing a little bit. Like the purity is not quite there yet. You can't go by the liters per minute here because it's just doing a loop, but we got to get the percentage up. But other than that, it is a functioning unit. And we just got to reprogram the thing and get the timing a little better and get the pressure and the seed beds up. So that's what I'll do next. Alright, we've been running for a little bit now. I've extended the times so the seed tank pressures climb a little higher. That seems to be helping. But I'm going to have to probably take it past 30 pounds. But the oxygen quality is climbing still. So we'll see how high it gets. And we're getting there. A few more adjustments. It's still climbing, it's far from perfect, but we are able to do glass work with it, and the percentage keeps climbing, but it's good enough right now to do some glass with, so we'll call it at least a partial success. We've got some success. The percentage keeps climbing, and currently we can do some glass work with it. It takes a long time for the percentage to creep up, I guess, as it purges all the old stuff out. We're still going to play with the timing a little bit, but overall we have a glass torch.